I ain't gonna lie.
You're nervous.
Just a little nervous.
Just a little nervous.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Woo!
Oh!
Back to work, huh?
Back to work.
Yeah. Already. It was such a build up, you know, and now it's like, well, you still keep on digging. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No break. We are coming off of Swainsboro, the big trip, the big race. Wonder if they figured out this is the other car yet, if they've noticed.
I don't know.
They're like, well, what are y'all doing working on that car?
One here named Foghorn.
This is, this car's been in the trailer, or back up, since I don't know how long ago, but we're getting it out and we're getting to work on it because it is now going to be the car that we'll be racing this weekend at Whynot Motorsports Park. We're coming off the race with this car at Swainsboro, come up short in the quest for the Hunt the Front Super Dirt Series title, but we're gonna keep digging and we're going racing this weekend with this car at Whynot.
At the House of Hook.
The House of Hook.
And what better place to debut our house? Oh, hold on. What?
Think about this.
House of Power.
Yeah. So what better way than to debut our House of Power Clements motor
Then out the House of Hook.
than at the House of Hook?
So the House of Hook obviously has its name for a reason. Why not? Whenever it gets hooked up and hammered down, you can use all you got. And this engine right here, the new Clements wide bore, that's all we got. As far as the biggest we got, best we got. And so we're pulling the Dell engine out, putting the Clements in there from the House of Power, Clements racing engines, and going to the House of Hook, Whynot Motorsports Park.
That's right.
Did that all make sense?
Oh, I think so. Get Dale out, get Clements in, and fire it up today.
All right.
That'd be the goal of the day.
No, I like it. Let's do it.
Happy birthday, Joseph.
Not just Joseph.
Dusty! How old are you?
No, you don't
You'd rather
have
not
to answer that. You can if you want to, but you don't have to.
38, but let's just go with 28.
Yeah, there you go. It is both Dusty and Joseph's birthday. Dusty actually showed up for work on his birthday. Joseph and his wife Kayla are celebrating his 30th birthday. I think they're in the mountains or something.
Somewhere's in the mountains.
I don't know. So anyway, we're working without Joseph today and giving him his birthday off. Oh, you've been waiting on me to do that this whole time.
A little bit.
I appreciate you waiting.
Old Dale. Dale's been a good one.
Yeah, so far. So the Dell engine here, when did we got it, we bought it for Bristol.
Bought it for Bristol.
But I think it was the second year. Yeah, because we didn't run,
First year we only ran crate.
So it'd been in so we bought it early last year, early 2022.
Yeah.
And we've put that many laps on it. And we put that many laps on it. Both Joseph and Jesse have run it.
I wrote Dale on the carburetors.
Oh, that way we know what it goes with.
Know what it came off of.
Hey there. I'm looking for like an AM to 12 nail.
Nice, Jordy.
Big review.
Where'd it get? Oh.
For the
Stuck to it.
Yeah, it's right.
Oh, heck, we can use that, Jordy.
Yeah.
That brand new engine. We'll put that old gasket on it. There's what came off of Dell. That's what's going on the new one.
I'm gonna go ahead and swap the door and quarter. And a little bit nicer.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a little beat up.
A little bit of rip.
We make good spare stuff.
Yeah, make a
You
good.
put it in the cart.
Really gets crazy
flies
down
everywhere,
there.
huh?
You're gonna need a swap. But it's gonna look real. Pull the plug. I'm gonna come down there with you.
I'm gonna ruin my new shirt.
Whoa, we can't be ruining that one.
No,
That looks too good.
that's too nice of a shirt to get oil all over it. Tell you what, I know where some more are.
I'm gonna hit. Let me hit.
Jesse only doesn't trust you because he doesn't trust himself when he does this. You pull the plug out of the cap out of the drain pan there.
Listen, it's gonna probably splash us.
Well, that's not
Maybe
back here.
I'll do this. Hold that.
No,
right
I
there.
wouldn't do that. You
Oh,
can,
it ain't that bad.
Yeah, now how you gonna?
yeah, now you got a pure mess on your hands. What are you gonna do now, Jesse?
That's
What
gonna
are you talking
fill
about?
up.
It's fine.
Jesse has a horror story of all the
We've
world.
had a mess. Listen, I've
why
seen
he's
this
being-
before.
He's seen this picture show,
That's why he's being real cautious.
so he's being resourceful and using 2 drain pans.
I think we're ready.
You want me to work that, Jordy?
Good.
Here, I got you, buddy. I'm sorry, I'm sitting over there daydreaming. You over here wishing somebody would help you and quit daydreaming. Ain't wanting to come out. We bolted this engine in here. We had the drain in here at the beginning of this year. Remember? Until we got the new car and the Dickens engine back. So this engine didn't go in here until like April.
That's right, because it was starting to smoke real bad at
The drain.
Yeah.
The drain was in here at Jackson.
And then
We had
won
the
them 2
smoking.
races with this motor in it.
Yes, we did win 2 races this year with this combination right here. Buckshot and Whynot.
Which is partially why.
We're putting a big motor in. We've had a big motor in here and it works.
Okay, I'm out. Alright, now use it up.
So I guess the next question is, why in the world, if we went to Whynot and won with this, that in there?
Well, it's pretty simple because we got that. So,
Yeah, I agree.
What is that thing?
and this.
What is that?
Oh, I guess
Technically, talking about cubic inches, that one's bigger than that
it
one.
is. It's just
A lot
a
older.
lot older technology or
Right.
lack thereof. No, good motor,
Good piece.
Good piece.
Fine piece.
fine piece, just not up to date.
Right.
But worked really well, as people have seen.
Proven.
Proven winner.
Easy, fellers. You got it?
Yeah.
Man, it's so shiny.
Kind of want to. I think we need to wash our hands.
Before we touch it.
Right?
Put some gloves on.
All right, there's where the Dale engine will be for the time being. Right there in case it's needed. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for, which I don't know if this isn't really the moment. That'd be the moment where we fire it up. Hey, big thanks again to Langenfelder Mechanical Contractors, Mr. Mark Langenfelder, Josh Langenfelder. Really glad to have them part of the team. Wouldn't have this equipment, certainly this engine, here without them. Jesse's selling used tires over there. I'll stand in. I can make sure we don't hit anything. You're good over here.
Good going, Dusty. Doing good and slow. Nice and heavy.
I hate to even get my handprints on it.
All right, there.
Oh, you're up against.
In there? Wow.
It's like it wanted to be there.
Yeah.
Wow. Just lift up a little bit.
Up.
Yep. Actually, hang on a second.
There you go. Hey, you missed out. It went right in. Just like it's made to be there.
Jumped right in there.
Mm-hmm. Or maybe it was because Jesse wasn't here to mess it up.
Hey.
That's
I
right.
mean, cannot confirm nor deny.
Got it.
That's big. This is like the hardest part of hooking up the new motors. Everything's got to go just right, fit, right fittings here and there.
All right. Well, just make sure you do it right.
Oh yeah.
It's got a bit of a
tight little area right there. Look, Jesse, you can't even mess this up. Tells you right there what goes where. So this here carburetor was built specifically for this engine application.
That's right.
Dyno tested, ready to produce maximum power. Until you put restrictors in.
There is a full plate under it, right?
Did you make sure the restrictors were out?
0.
Okay, good. In addition to our new carburetor for our new engine, we also got a new set of Schoenfeld headers with bolting on. I think it's gonna rattle the roof.
Think so? Think it's gonna sound different than these other ones?
I think it's gonna have a little more to it.
I tell you, old Dale now.
Yeah,
Dale make you feel it in your chest.
you feel Dale for sure. I think it'll be a lot like that. So for those that don't know, didn't see the video when we got this thing here, this is a 438 cubic inch wide bore Clements racing engine. We've been waiting on it. How long have we been waiting on this thing? A while. That we've been waiting to get it here. Thought about putting it in for Talladega and Swainsboro, but stuck with the J. Dickens engine. A little bit less power. If you saw any of those videos, it wasn't about motor. That definitely wasn't our problem. But we got Whynot this weekend, House of Hook. They don't call it that for nothing. And then East Alabama, Phoenix City. What do they call it? Playground of Power, coming up in 2 weeks for the National 100. So we figure this would be a good time. Those two tracks next up with the super late model will be a good time to run this thing. By the way, did you hear the National 100 is now paying $49,000 to win?
Big deal.
Big deal. So that's looking forward to that.
I can't tell you who. I'd say it's got the attention of some of the top dirt late model drivers in the country. Arguably
the top. I know where you're going with that.
I'm not saying anymore.
Jesse's politicking, trying to get as many of them as he can down here for the National 100.
I may or may not have confirmation. I just think arguably one of the top dirt late model drivers of the year.
Just told you he's coming
Told me he's coming.
to the National 100.
That's what he said.
Phoenix City, last weekend of October.
Yep.
Now all that's left is for you to tell us who it is you believe is the top driver in the country so far this year.
Jesse's top driver in the country.
RTJ.
Says he's told Jesse he's coming to race with us at Phoenix City.
It's unofficial, but he told me he was coming.
There you go. Whatever the case, we'll hopefully be there at both of them with this car and the new engine. And you can watch them both live on Hunt the Front TV. This weekend, Whynot for the Fall Classic, $15,000 to win. That's definitely nothing to sneeze at. Gonna be a good field there. And then obviously in 2 weeks, last weekend of October, National 100 paying $49,000. Can't say enough great things about the folks at Phoenix City, East Alabama Motor Speedway, bringing the National 100 back and coming in with a bang there, $49,000 to win. That's gonna be really fun. Make plans to be there or watch live on Hunt the Front TV. About to try to get oil pressure? Yeah. It's that time, huh? Well, it spins real nice.
Spins good.
Hey, just kick up a little bit.
It jumped.
It just barely click.
Oh, it's got a little pressure.
Well.
How much?
30.
How much?
Topped out at 42.
They're wanting you to hold your finger on that and let's spin it.
Oh, that thing is sparking on?
Yeah. Oh, come on, what would it take?
I ain't doing it.
Come on, Jesse. Hey, where'd all the cookies go?
Oh, they gone.
Hey, thanks to Lynn and Michael for the cookies. Unfortunately, we ate them all. That box was full in Swainsboro when we got there. And happy birthday to Michael as well. Thanks for the cookies, y'all. With that being said,
I think we fired it up.
I think it's time to fire this thing up.
Everybody be ready to look at the time. Got plenty of fuel.
Got plenty of fuel.
I ain't gonna lie.
You're nervous.
Just a little nervous.
Just a little nervous.
Ready? Holy hell!
Fire!
Fire!
Burnt my knuckle hairs.
Why did it do that?
I don't know.
Why do that for?
Smells like chicken.
Ready? Very smooth.
Yeah. All right, good work today, team. We got one out and a new one in. Dusty got the body back on it, a little straighter. That quarter panel's definitely better.
The quarter panel's definitely better. Door,
Yeah, it'll do. Anyway, we will be at Whynot Motorsports Park this Saturday night. Fall Classic, live on Hunt the Front TV. Can't wait to get Joseph back here, get to the track, and see what this thing will do. It sure sounds good. Y'all let us know what you think of the new piece. Thank y'all for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all later.